If you forget your TurboTax login information, we'll help you find it. Simply click I forgot my user ID or password, and we'll take you to our account recovery tool. From here, we'll walk you through the steps to sign back in. It's the fastest and easiest way to get back into your account. Start by entering your phone number, email address, or user ID. If we recognize your device, we'll send a verification code to the phone number or email address you provided. Enter the code, reset your password, and be on your way. If you've never logged into TurboTax from this device, you'll have a few more questions to answer before resetting your password. If this doesn't work, don't worry. We have other ways to help you access your account. We take your security and privacy seriously. We'll notify you if a change is made to your account info or if a new device is being used. For more answers to your questions, visit turbotax.com/support.